Hey, Jason West here from Funnel Demos, and today I want to show you how you can sell a course online as quickly and simply as possible using ClickFunnels. So first of all, I'm in my ClickFunnels account, as you can probably tell, and I want to just give you a quick run through of this and how it works. Maybe if you haven't never used ClickFunnels before, but you just know you want to sell a course online, then this is just going to be an overview for you. So on the left-hand side is a sequence of pages, basically, i.e. a funnel. The left-hand side, you can see there's course page, and that's the course sales page. Then we've got the checkout. Then we've got the one-time offer or the upsell. And next is the login page for the course once they've bought, and then the membership area where they can access all the lessons and the modules. So that's the basics of how it's created. Let's go and have a little look now at the sales page, which is easy to create even if you're not a web designer. That's no problem. As long as you can use drag and drop, then you can create a really nice looking page. As you can see, this is pretty good. You can see all this sort of pitch there for the course itself. You've got icons and everything that you can all get from within ClickFunnels. So you don't have to go hunting for, icons from all these other different sites and images and everything else. You've got like a search box within ClickFunnels that allows you to go and grab images from different sites and put them straight into your page. And then we've got the buy now button that will link straight off to the checkout, which is the next stage in the funnel, like we've seen. You can put your testimonials there. And then you can also put a video tour of your course perhaps, or just a general sales video for what it is you're selling in your course. You can use Vimeo, YouTube, you can embed your own, or you can use Wistia that I really like. That's an extra, Wistia I think charges $99 a month, but they're really good. If we just scroll down, you can detail all your modules that you've got in your course, all the bonuses, your money back guarantee, this meet the trainer, and then FAQs and stuff. That's how I've built my page, but you can build your page any way that you want using ClickFunnels as the editor. So that's how you actually set up your sales page. Then next you've got your checkout, which is really easy. You can use one of their pre-formatted templates, or you can design your own. Let's just zoom out a minute. Oh, we're going everywhere. Here we go. Let's just go into my checkout page so you can have a little look. I built this checkout to look exactly the way I wanted. I don't use like the address and everything on there because I'm not shipping anything ultimately, and that can reduce conversions. And then I've put all of our support details there and everything. And then you can just go ahead and order and then complete the order by pressing that button. It hooks up to Stripe, or you can have PayPal as well. So real simple, just go straight into your Stripe account once they've paid. And then what happens is they will go on to the OTO page, which is a one-time offer page or an upsell. And then, of course, you can create perhaps another course to sell them, something that would really help them with the course, another problem that it would solve for them. You can add that in this part here. And then you've got the course login page. So let's have a little look at that as well. So it's all created by the software. The only thing that you'd want to do is you want to edit the page to look how you want. This is the design that I've got, and you can see you've got a nice sort of background image there with a mock-up and the trainer in there. And then you've got forgot password facility as well. So all of this, took a matter of minutes to get set up. And then you've got your membership area where you're going to put all your course lessons and everything. And if we just move down here, you can see there's the modules, and then there's the lessons. And you can just create a new module by just clicking add new lesson section. And then once you've done that, you can add a new lesson. You can even drag and drop these if you want to move them about, change the order of them or something like that. And of course, you can restrict the access. So based on what product that they've bought. So in this case, they've gone through to checkout, they get access to the whole course. However, I could add in a bunch of extra bonuses that they don't have access to unless they buy the one-time offer, for example. So that's really, really good feature. But let's just take a look at what it is like to edit the sort of course look and feel. So here you can see this is how I've done mine. And this is the drag and drop editor that is used by ClickFunnels. It's dead easy, really. I mean, look, you can just click on anything, such as this section here, and just click settings. And then you can choose how it looks. You can move things up and down and put in flashy animation or whatever you want to do. And then when you want to view the course and see what it looks like for your members, let's just leave the page. Ta-da, there we go. And there is the course and how it looks within the ClickFunnels live course area. And you can just click on all these different things. You can put downloads in your course if you want to. Also, ClickFunnels will host the downloadable files, which I really like. And what I've done with this left-hand side navigation is I've made a little JavaScript, I think it was a jQuery and CSS change, so that when you open one module, it closes the others. And also that when you click on any particular video or whatever, it then just scrolls up to the top. Now, the reason I've done that is if you create a big course with lots of modules, lots of lessons, the left-hand side, obviously you're going to be right down here, clicking on something on one of the lessons, and the video will be really high up. So what I've done is create some code that when you click on a link, it automatically scrolls you straight up to the top, and then you can see the video straight away without having to scroll. Because you know what some people are like, they're not used to navigating around websites and things, and they just think, where's the video gone? So by doing that, it solves that problem. You've also got the ability to make it really good for mobiles as well. You can create like a mobile friendly version of it too. So simple to use editor. This is a great way to create a course, in my opinion, especially if speed and simplicity is what you're after and you're not majorly techie. You don't want to be techie, you want to keep it simple anyway. Then you've got statistics. So this is a brand new course, so nothing's happened with this yet. But what I'll say is that you have got the ability to see the statistics, the number of page views, the people who've actually gone in and bought the course. All of that will appear here. And you can change the dates as well. And then you can see all of the members of the course by clicking on this contacts link. And then all of the sales will appear there. So everything within it is just like this one system. And perhaps the best part about it is that you can go and buy yourself a domain name. So, myinternetmarketingcourse.com or whatever it is that you want to do. And then just put this whole system straight onto there. So, your checkout page will be there, everything, your course sales page, and you can just do this as many times as you want. The other cool thing with using ClickFunnels is you can clone this whole system and then just go and set up another brand new course and just change the actual course sales page and everything. And then those people will have their own login as well. So real nice, straightforward system. There's some other great features which are powerful to help you sell courses, such as the ability to automate emails. So if somebody hits your checkout page, but then they have a wobble and decide not to purchase, bing, they can get an email as well. That will only happen, by the way, if you have a two-step checkout, and then the first page is where they put their name and email in, or if they're already in your database and then they do this and then they don't go through the checkout, then they'll get this email because you've got their details already. And then the same applies to the one-time offer. You can say to them, automatically, oh, did you miss the one-time offer as they went through the checkout? And then you can just encourage them to go back to the page, send them a link to it to then go and buy that one-time offer. So really, really, really simple. I hope that's helped you guys who are looking to produce some sort of online course and you're looking for some way of doing it, without having tech overwhelm, as they say. WordPress is cool and it's got a million plugins and everything, but I do like the simplicity of this. I just do. So I hope that's helped you guys. And check out any comments below. Just write something there if you want me to answer you any questions about this video. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.